Monthly what?
It's like you can sign up for like, it was back when I was younger, actually, like a long time ago.
A long time ago. You were a kid 9 years ago, according to you. What's a long time ago?
It was about
Oh, shut
8 years
the
ago.
f up.
Easy.
What is it?
8 years ago, easy.
No, what is it?
Oh, it's like a ringtone thing. It's some stupid thing.
Some stupid thing that you still pay for.
It's dumb. It was for ringtones on a phone at one point.
Who has Cabela's? Let me guess. Seth?
Mine.
Oh, congratulations.
They
Guess
gave it to me
what?
same day, which is
Guess
even
what,
crazier.
Sam? Rose over the limit. Yeah, smile away. You're never going to do shit. I say this out of love because I actually don't hate you guys. You guys are very pleasant, but you are both, I think, two of the most pathetic people I've ever met. I say with love.
I want to change things because I want a kid, but I want to do
You're prioritizing Japan. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? You want a kid? Shut the fuck up. You don't want a kid. If you wanted a kid, you'd be doing any of the things that would require.
All of my friends that have had kids have pretty much stopped their lives
You on birth control?
for them.
No.
Are you raw loading?
No.
Condoming?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, that's good. Thank. Okay.